Hello everyone, in today's video we will see how to run a lead campaign. The main purpose of a lead campaign is to collect contact information from potential customers who are interested in your product or service. With this campaign you can create instant forms to collect names, email, phone number. You can create instant forms to collect name, email, phone number. This type of ads are more commonly used in business. These type of ads are more commonly used in big businesses or real estate. Okay, I click on leads, then click continue. For example, I have a house for sale and people who are interested in buying will see my ad and submit a form or send me a message so I can contact them. First, we need to give a name of this campaign. Yeah, I give this name. Then campaign budget, I will keep a daily budget is $15. Then select special ad category. I will be running a real estate ad, so I will select housing here. Select. Then you need to select your country. Click on next. Okay, ad set. Conversion location. Conversion means how do you want to collect leads. Website and instant forms, website and calls, instant forms and messenger. You can also select single option like website, instant forms, messenger, Instagram or what. Okay, I select instant forms and messenger. Then select your page. You may see an issue here. If you accept the terms, it will be resolved. Then budget and schedule. You can customize the start and end date. I select the end date. I want to run the ads for 7 days, so I select the date. Okay, then select your location. City or area. Advantage audience. Click on audience search. Here you can customize age and gender. Detail targeting. I search here real estate, housing, home sale, like this. Real estate. Then click property investing. Select it. Okay, new house. Done. Now click on next. Here is our ads. Select your page. Then create ad, single image or video. I select my content. Set up creative and image ad. Then I upload my image. Here's my image. Okay, click next. Here we need to give primary text, headline and description. Okay, I have given the text, the call to action. I select apply now, then click on next. Done. Here is our ad. Now we need to create a form. Click on create form. Next. Then you need to give a headline and a short paragraph. Okay, I have given the headline and description. Now click on next. If you want, you can add some questions. Okay, I don't need this. Okay, here are description. Now I will write here. If you are interested, fill out the form. Then choose the type of information you need. Here are 2 already prepared. I need more. Click on plus icon. Then I need phone number. Okay, then again click on plus icon. I need 6. Okay, this 4 information I need from customer. Then click on next. Here you will add your website or any privacy policy. Okay, I have given the privacy policy. Then click next. If you want, you can change the headline and description. Then additional action. I select call business. When you select call business, you need to give your phone number here. And when you select the go to website, you need to give your website link. Okay, I select call business and I will give my number and click on create form. Look, your lead ads are completely created. When you click publish, the ads will run. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.